You're joining us live at BizTown Mobile at Melrose Elementary School. I'm here with Miss Jody Barksdale. Tell us about this event and what it means for your kiddos here at Melrose.
They get to have a lifetime experience. We learned about voter registration, money tracking, bank loans, taxes, interest rates. So it's life skills that they're going to need to know to be successful. And I think the younger that they can get exposed to it, the better they're going to be, and they're going to be more financially savvy, I think, than some kids that don't get to experience this.
Wow, well, we're joined with some pretty amazing students. So which business were you with?
BizNet News.
Okay, and how about you?
I'm in Wellness Center.
Wellness Center.
I was at Town Services. I'm at the bank.
Okay. And I just want to know, what did you like most about today?
Getting to learn something new and just learning how to actually use money and what wisely. And I feel like if you start at a young age, it's easier to handle it better as you get older.
Wow. So you're talking a lot about financial literacy and how important that is. And so tell us, you were with the Wellness Center. What did you like most about the Wellness Center business?
I like selling the stress balls with the sand inside, and I also like paying for the rent on the iPad.
Oh, you like paying for the rent on the iPad. Oh, so I think this might be an up-and-coming entrepreneur. So Harrisburg, stay tuned. So my good friend Gabe, which business were you with?
I was in Town Services.
The Town Services. So what does Town Services do?
Town Services provides property management, and it also provides the bills that are needed to be paid.
Oh, that's pretty cool. So what was the key takeaway for you? What did you learn?
I learned on how to work this iPad that may be used for future things. I also can comprehend what these words mean, like entrepreneur, interest, and many more words.
Awesome, awesome. Now, this is the banker of the town. This is my good friend Owen. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So, what was you were in the business of banking? Mm-hmm. Tell us about that. How cool was that?
I really liked it. I really liked the fact that I was able to reject and decline loans by typing in.
You were able to reject
and accept them.
And accept loans. Mm-hmm. Well, adults, that's something that we go through in real life when you're applying for a loan. And we're all keeping our fingers crossed that when we apply that the loan is approved. So do you think that banks really help people?
Yes.
How do they help people?
They help you keep your money in a safe place without letting anyone steal it.
Awesome. So what did you like best about today?
I really like me being able to shop around.
To shop around. Wow. I'm telling you, Harrisburg, we have some really amazing students here. And Ms. Barksdale, thank you for coordinating this effort and bringing it right here to Melrose. Last word goes to you. What would you want to say to our school community?
Well, it wasn't just me. It was a team effort.
A team. Okay.
Did this. Mr. Solon reached out and got BizTown and asked if we'd be willing to do it. And we said absolutely, because I had taken a class before many years ago and just seeing the benefits that it has. And I think that I'd really love to see Melrose do this every year, and maybe Harrisburg can make this a staple for other schools.
Yes, absolutely.
These are life skills that our kids will never be able to experience until they're older. But if they get to experience it now, I think it's going to make them be more financially responsible and great citizens.
BizTown Mobile right here at Melrose School, and this has been a phenomenal day of learning about business and running businesses like an entrepreneur or a CEO, and it's been a great day. BizTown Mobile at Melrose School.